Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Sam, and today we're serving CEO. We're serving Don't Fuck With Me. I'm wearing a dress and a blazer, and I'm not the one to play with today. So yeah, this is the kind of look we're serving today. I did this really sickening short to mid-length wig from Showgirl Wigs, really stunning, and we've done a bold ass red lip. That means you know I mean business, bitch. And yeah, this is the look. So pretty much if you want to see me transform into this extremely gorgeous owner of a company, definitely keep watching the video, because I know you want to know how you can look this sickening. I know you want to know, so just keep watching and yeah, enjoy. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, I've already gone ahead and done you the pleasure of skipping basically my base. So we've gone ahead and we've glued down the brows, we've drawn on new brows, and then we've also got our just foundation like base and then just a couple contours done as well. So I thought that that would be a good idea just because I want to skip those steps and really show you what I'm going to do differently in this look, I guess. So I did a poll on Instagram, guys, and I asked if you wanted bad bitch glam or if you wanted cotton candy fantasy, and bad bitch glam won. So here we are, we're doing it. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to map out, well, I'm going to prime my eyes and I'm going to map out my crease, which is what I usually do. If you do want a tutorial on how to do my base and how I do my foundation and my brows, then go ahead and watch my last video, because I did a really like full 30-minute in-depth video discussing every part of the face and what I do. You can go watch that if you really would like some further in-depth kind of commentary on how I actually do my face. But yeah, anyway, we're going to get started now with our priming of our eyes, and I'm going to be using the same primer that I used in my last video if you've watched it, the C.E.HOE Mama Mitchell, oh it's so bright, the C.E.HOE Mama Mitchell Acid Rain paint, and this one is a really great eyeshadow base, pretty much skin tone, and it's great for cutting creases as well because it's a paint, so it doesn't really like skip or anything, and eyeshadow adheres to it really well. So I'm just taking that on a little Nude Sticks brush, and I'll just pop that over my lids and kind of just blend it up into where I've highlighted my brow already. Nothing too crazy over here today. Anyways, I've gone ahead and I've primed my eyes. We're gonna get started on the shadow portion of today's video. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Tati Beauty Volume 1 Textured Neutrals palette. This one is so fucking gorgeous. I am obsessed. Here she is. She's so pretty. You've got the glitters up top, shimmers, then you've got these sequin shadows here, and then you've got mattes down the bottom. Beautiful palette. Love it. Tati Westbrook really killed it, Miss Thing. Maybe I can just map out my crease using a nude lip liner from Morphe. So this is pretty much going to be like the basis of where I'm going to cut my crease. But we're going to go in with super neutral shades today. I'm going to start with like a deep brown. It's called Ritual. It's just this shade here. And it is so stunning. You can find shades like this in literally any neutrals palette, even cheaper ones from like Morphe and things like that. I'm just literally using this because A, it's the first thing that I saw, B, it's all I think about when I see neutrals, and C, the formula is amazing. So yeah, so I'm going to go in with this little Sephora collection brush. It's a little flat brush, but it's low-key fluffy, and I'm going to go into Ritual, get a lot on the brush, and I'm going to start packing it over that lip liner, just like that, but almost like sweep it while you pack, because if you sweep it, you're going to blend it out while you're packing it. Girl, I don't know what's going on with this camera, but she's not having it tonight. So there we have the brown shade. It's just very messily packed on. So I'm going to go ahead and take a blending brush. This one is from Morphe. It's the M441 or M441. And I'm going to take the shade Soothe, which is this beautiful neutral camel brown. I'm going to take that over the brown that we've already put down, and I'm going to blend it out. Okay, so that's where I'm going to take the brown, and you want to blend it kind of into your contour bronzer shades up on your temple. I've really just smoked it all the way out, and I've gone ahead and taken it into my bronzer shade. And pretty much what that's going to do is it's going to make it look like it's a flawless crease that's going in, and it's going to join everything together really nicely. I'm also going to blend it in to here a bit more intently so that we can blend it into our contour on our nose, which is something that I really love to do because it makes your eye look massive. So yeah, that's where we're at, and I'm going to continue with the brown again, which is Ritual, that darker brown, and I'm going to use that a bit more heavily in the crease so that I can sketch out exactly where I want to cut it. Okay, so we've got the intensified brown, and I really am low-key in love with this eye shape right now. I know I said I was going to keep it kind of round, but I totally switched it up on y'all. I'm winging it out. Like, I feel like it's more bad bitchery if I just take it all the way out. I'm going to cut the crease, I think, after I do this, and then we're going to add black later on when we add the liner, which is what I always do. But I'm just going to do this eye, the rest of it, and finish it off camera, so I'll be back in a jiffy. Alrighty guys, so we've gone ahead and we've cut the crease for you, so that's all done. Now we need to make it a bit more dramatic, so we're going to add some black shadow. First, what we need to do is we need to do some liner. So I'm going to do a quick wing. If you haven't seen my last video, I go over my technique of doing a wing. Today I'm just going to do that. I'm going to do like a really big connected wing, and I'll probably leave some more lid space today, just because I'm feeling that vibe. So yeah, I'm going to do that right now. Alrighty guys, so we've gone ahead and we've done the liner. So what I did was I did my fat wing, as you would have seen on the time lapse. I did a huge wing and then just connected the liner into my socket. Well, my socket. So I'm going to go ahead and use a little smudger brush, and I'm going to blend out that liner with more black shadow, and that's how we get the dramatic look. Okay guys, so I've gone ahead and added the black. It really adds a lot to the look. I'm going to work on some more blending of the shadows, and then I'm going to add our lid shade, which is going to be stunning, and then I'm just going to do my lashes and lips and cheeks, and I think we're close to being done. Okay, before I do the rest of it, I just had an idea. I'm gonna go in with this like silvery black glitter shade over the liner, and I'm feeling pretty crazy, so we'll see how it turns out. These ones are really nice though, these shitter shades, these glitter shades. Lord. You can tell it's late at night. Oh yeah, that's exactly what we need to do. Just to like zhuzh it up a little bit, you know? I feel like we're very matte. Oh yes! This look is like, it's like sort of turning out, but also she's a struggle, okay? Okay, so we're going into the Soothe glitter shade. Up here, this is going to be our lid shade, Miss Thing. So, wish me luck, hopefully she sticks. Oh, absolutely. It's a lot of glitter, but like, bad bitches don't care about lots of glitter, you know? And that's the vibe we're going for. Wow. Absolutely. I'm going to tone down the liner a little bit, because now that we've added both glitters, it may just be too much glitter. I'm just going to tone down the glitter on the liner, just by going over it with our black shadow. Yes! Oh wow, I'm living for this. It looks so stunning. Okay. So that was the worst tongue pop I think I've ever done in my life. Okay, so now I'm going back in with our shades that we've used on the top. I'm going in with that Ritual brown shade first. Now we're going in with the black, Miss Ma'am. Okay. We're almost there. Okay, now I'm just going to go with my white liner under the eyes. Yes! Okay, so the eyes are pretty much done. I'll add my lashes and stuff in a moment, but I'm going to do the rest of my face while I'm here with you guys. So, ma'am. So what I need to do next is I just need to do some little blushy. For blush, I'm just going to use the same that I did last video, which will be the Cover FX Duo Blush Duo? Monochromatic Blush Duo in Pink Dahlia. Yes! Oh, I'm feeling the fantasy! Highlighter. So I'm going to do a little cheeky O for a moment. You can't even see them because it's so bright. But yeah, I'm going to do a little cheeky O for a moment. I mix all of these shades together and just kind of hope for the best. Oh! Shining brighter than my future, baby. I hate myself for doing that just then. Oh. Oh. Y'all could never. Truly, you could never, to be honest. Okay, so we've done our highlighter. Now it's time for lips. Now, because we're serving very neutral eyes, I kind of want to go with a Boss Ass Red for the lip. The question is, what Boss Ass Red do I use? Just gonna look for my tub of lipsticks. I'm gonna use Red Rum by He Who Shall Not Be Named, because I have it already, and I'm going to use a Morphe lip liner in High Maintenance. This one's a little bit lighter than the lipstick, but it's fine, really. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. I'm obsessed with Juno Birch, if you can't already tell by every time that I say absolutely stunning. Oh. Oh wow, bitch. This red fucking lip? Are you kidding? Insanity, darling. Insanity. It's fucking insanity, darling. Alright. So here we are. I'm going to add some lashes and some extra touches on the end now. And I'm going to be back in a minute just to show you the final look. Alrighty, guys. Thank you for waiting for me. This is the final look. I'm so excited. I look so stunning. Not to toot my own horn, but I'm obsessed with this look. It is so gorgeous, so CEO. I'm wearing this cute little dress right now, little snake print moment, with a cute little blazer. And yeah, I'm feeling the fantasy right now. I live for this little transformation moment for you guys. This wig is from Showgirl Wigs. It was actually originally curled and really like twisted curls, like very tight. But I straightened her out. She looks a little ratty, but like, it's almost like I got home from a big night out last night and I'm just rocking up at the office, you know, for a little morning meeting after a big night out. But yeah, I'm really obsessed with this wig. I think it's so cute. Definitely would have preferred it if it was like a little shorter or a little longer, but you kind of have the best of both worlds, really. So it's fine. But yeah, I'm really excited about this look. I really love it. The red lip really complements the eyes and the cheeks so well. And yeah, I really just feel like a woman. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. This is my second drag transformation video already, and there's plenty more to come. So next up, I'll be doing my Pink Candy Fantasy. Don't think think that was not going anywhere because I was definitely going to do it. I just wanted to know which one I wanted to do first. So yeah, I guess that's everything. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a like. If you want to see more, feel free to subscribe. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you have any, if you don't have any, stay silent, bitch. I don't know. But yeah, thank you for watching. You have a great day, and I will see you guys on the next one. Mwah.